y'all, it's Bojo. Welcome back to Anomalous Coffee Machine. Today doing Cup of Control. Yes, control. The taste clings, thick and heavy, like swallowing command, but it leaves me hollow, robotic. My thoughts click into place, one after another, each more structured than the last, but there's no room for feeling, for breathing. I thought I'd be in control, but now it feels like some control has taken me. Yeah, that does feel pretty conflicting. And that's what you mean by that. Okay, that's a autonomous. Yeah, autonomous body. Okay. You seem so pleasurable, even though your head is disconnected from your body. You should be dead. Also, there's just another pair of arms here, your normal pair, and then another pair here, and then just spider arms. Okay. That is the Cup of Control. If you enjoyed this episode, please stay tuned for the next video. Bye-bye.